Hey guys, welcome to this new video. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to install ice cream recorder. So guys, watch this video till end. So let's get started.
Why are you running?
Open any browser. Click the link in pinned comment. A new page will display. Here click on free download. A new page will display. Here it will be start download automatically. Here a pop-up window will open. Make sure you should not forget your download path of setup. Click on save. A setup will download like this. Select the setup. Right-click and select run as administrator. Here a small box will appear. Select according to your language. Here I am selecting English language. Click I accept the agreement. Click next. Here select the downloading path. Here I have selected D drive. Click next. Here select first option and third option. Click next. Click install. Here I am fast forwarding the installation to save your valuable time. Here your ice cream screen recorder is installed successfully. If you want to delete setup file, then you delete the setup. So guys, if you think this tutorial is helpful to you, like this video, share this video to your friends and others.
Yeah, boy.
Subscribe my channel, set the notification to all to get my new video notifications. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye guys.